everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mia and this video is going to be a DIY pedicure. Turn on the massage and of course Debo's so inquisitive. So let's get started. First, I'm going to soak my feet in this foot scrub. It's a foot scrub that I bought from Sally. So any foot scrub that you possibly want will be good. Then I bought a personal professional kit that you can take when you go to get pedicures, so that you're the only one using those instruments on your feet or hands. Oh, this feels so relaxing. Nothing like having a nice massage at the end of the week after a busy week. Next, I'm going to scrub my feet with this, it's like a menthol medicated scrub for your feet, and it has like little crystals in it, so it feels so like relaxing and exfoliating. That's what the word I'm looking for. It exfoliates. Now I'm just going to take the brush and lightly brush over the top of my feet and my toes and remove any dirt that may have been left after I scrubbed. Now I'm just going to lightly dry my feet so I can go on with the next step, which will be the pedicure, which removes all the calluses from, or the dry skin from the bottom of your feet or your toes. It just smooths it all out. Now I'm just going to rinse my feet off again. Now I just take this, usually it's called an orange wood stick, but this is a plastic one, and I just clean up underneath each nail and remove all the dead skin or any dirt that may be up underneath each nail, and then also around the top, the cuticle, and any dead skin around there as well. Now it's time to file. Now, last but not least, it was time to dip my feet in the paraffin wax. But as you can see, it wasn't completely melted, but I made do anyways. After putting my foot in the wax, then I put it inside of a plastic bag, more or less, that's used for paraffin wax. And then I put it inside of a mitt. Finally, it's time to remove the wax, and I first take off the mitt, then I keep my foot inside the bag and just use the bag to let the wax stick to it, so it keeps it all together and it's less mess. just take a little bit of cocoa butter cream and I just massage it into my feet, and boy do they feel so nice and soft. Next, I apply a base coat in preparation for my nail polish. Last step, nail dryer. All done. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.